Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling cheats or switching server settings so command blocks will run commands. Then give yourself a command block with /give at p command block 1 and place it where you can reach the console. Place orientation matters because repeaters and redstone attach to specific faces. Once placed, open the interface and verify the type, impulse, repeat, or chain, because that determines execution behavior. Make sure you keep track of coordinates and redstone input points before entering complex commands so you don't misfire. You now craft the actual command and configure execution. Start with a simple test like /say test to confirm output. Once done, switch to the intended command such as /tp or /summon and explain why you choose selectors and arguments to limit scope. Use repeat for continuous effects and chain for sequential logic. Set always active to avoid external redstone or needs redstone when you want manual control. Make sure to comment or document complex strings so you can adjust arguments without breaking the system. You finish by linking blocks into a functioning system and running thorough tests. Connect via redstone or set chain blocks to conditional, then trigger the setup and observe outputs, using /say or debug messages to confirm each stage. If something fails, check permission levels, extra spaces, missing quotation marks, or incorrect selector syntax. Also inspect tick timing with repeaters or observer pulses because timing issues often cause race conditions. Once fixed, save a backup or copy the command strings so you can reuse or iterate safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.